Hello friend, this is Pankaj and you're watching Profit Techno YouTube channel. So before start the video, I would request you to everyone please subscribe our channel to watch the amazing videos. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so in this video we are going to create this is the privacy policy and the terms and conditions page for your WordPress website. So I tell you like every new website require the privacy policy and the terms and conditions page because the customer will not trustful, they will not visit your website until once. Okay, so because they think like these website is not registered and they don't have a privacy and policy and terms and conditions page, so they are not loyal. Okay, so they will not buy and they will not visit again. So every website require the privacy policy and the terms and conditions page. So this is the privacy policy page which we are going to create in this video. Okay, so let's have a look of the privacy policy page. So this is the header which we given, and these are welcome to the our privacy policy. This is a company address and about the company and the website visitors. Okay, some information given and security advertisement. So these are some common points which we have to give for the this website. Like this is the e-commerce website, so I have given the e-commerce link over there. So you don't have to write a lot. You can see this is a lot of content, but you don't have to write a lot. Okay, you just have to give the your company information, the website where we are going to generate the data. This is the website where we are going to generate the privacy policy and the terms and conditions data, and the website will automatically generate the content, and you just have to copy and paste in your page that privacy policy page and the terms and conditions page. Okay, so let's start to creating the pages. So okay friends, so let's create the hub privacy policy and the terms and conditions pages. Okay, so to create the pages, you have to first of all go to your WordPress dashboard, and I'll show you. Click on pages. If you haven't created the privacy policy and the terms and conditions page, you can click by the click on add new button, and I have created, and so I just need to click on the edit button. Fine. So once you created the pages, and you can see this is a blank page we have, and okay, let's start to create the privacy policy. And to start to generate the privacy policy, you have to click on the get privacy policy. Okay, after that you can see like there are four options we have: the business website, personal blog, and the Facebook page, and the online store. So this company is about the RK Courier, the delivery services company, and this is the business website. So click on continue. So if you have an online store, if you have a Facebook page, if you are personal blogging, you can also click over here. You can uncheck this and you can click over here. Okay, so this is the business website, so I'm going to continue for this same. Okay, here you have to enter some information about your company, the company address, the company website, the phone number, the booking, email address, company address, your country, your city, your zip code, your state code. Okay, click on continue. As you can see, there we have so many links over here. So what the things we require, what things we don't require, we can remove that which we don't require. Okay, so we require website visitor, so anybody can visit on website. We require that the information, personally identify information. Okay, this is also we require the security measures. We also require advertisement. We can also do the advertisement in the future. The external link, we can give the external link to like it will be redirect to our website from our website. Okay, so Google AdWords, they are this website, this the company is not going to like entertain in Google AdWords in the future. Aggregate statistics we require. Affiliate disclosure, the company is not going to participate in any affiliate disclosure, any affiliate program. The cookies we require. Okay, so the protection of collected information, this is very useful information, because anybody can sign up in on your website, and the information which we collect we require to keep the confidential. Okay, so this is the protection of collected information, right? So e-commerce, this is not a e-commerce website, so we have to keep the uncheck. and business transfer, we can transfer business to another company. This is also unchecked. Sorry, keep it checking. And privacy policy change. In a privacy policy, the information can be changed at any time, so we need to keep the check. Okay, so credit, this is the free website, the free template they are giving. So if you keep the check, then it will okay, you don't have to pay a single penny if you keep the uncheck. Okay, so if you remove the link, you have to pay the $10. So don't need to remove this, keep the checkbox. Okay, click on continue. Fine. Here you can add some additional content. If you have to generate the privacy policy, you have to type the captcha. Okay, I'm done it, and just click on get template. Fine. So here you can see we have a privacy policy page. So this is the HTML code. Okay, so if you want to the plain text, you can also click over here, but in my case we are using the HTML code. So copy the entire code and click on privacy policy, click this plus button, add block, type the custom HTML. Okay, so copy this content, click on paste, preview, update. So if you view these pages, you can see our privacy policy has been generated. You can see, okay, the same information which we have, everything information have the same information which we keep the checkbox, the same information has been transferred to our website. Okay, so let's create the terms and conditions page. Okay, fine. Click on get terms and conditions. Okay, the same option we have just clicked on business websites. Click on continue. The same information they will keep the save, and they will keep the, you have to continue. Fine. Here we need to keep the check or uncheck to remove. Okay, so introduction, we require cookies, license, these are information we require. User comments we also require, because anybody can comment. This is a hyperlinks to our content. iframe, we can also use the iframe. External links, we talk about the external link in a privacy policy. Content liability, reservation of rights, removing the links from our website. So this is everything we require. Click on continue. Click on captcha, and you can enter the captcha text. Okay, EKRP. Fine. So get template. Okay, here we have generated the code. So first of all, we need to open our terms and conditions page. Okay, click on terms and conditions, click on add it. Okay, wonderful. So copy the entire sections, add block, search for custom HTML, copy the section, click on paste. Okay, click on view pages. Okay, so our terms and conditions has been generated. So this is the friends, this is how we can generate that privacy policy and the terms and conditions. So I would request you, so if you have any doubt, like if you want to create a beautiful website, or you have any kind of doubt, you can comment us, so we will definitely answer your questions. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Thank you very much for the watching. Thank you.